Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will tell you about one of my favorite project, MechMaster. So let's go towards the project. So this is basically their main website, MechMaster. Okay. So first you will find this is the first mecha game on blockchain. Okay, they already have written on the top. So as you can see, this is a complete sci-fi project, complete based reward game. Okay, so these are some of the feature of MechMaster, which include 2D and 3D item, unique feature and gacha system, the Decentraland, metaverse, build and customize, and battle and events. Okay, and these are all the characters that you will find in while playing this game. Okay, now this relic is a character name. Now this is the airdrop which they is currently running right now, and only 15 hours is left to get this airdrop end. So get this airdrop at end, and very soon you will find this token listed in public place, so you may get a huge earning for it. If you hold it, you may get more than it. So as they have mentioned, the round 1 will start at 20th of September till 26th of September. Round 2 will start from 4th of October till 10th of October. So they have mentioned the round 1, round 2. So this is the homeland. That now coming towards the roadmap. So in quarter 3 of 2021, they are coming with a game design, an NFT sale, and mecha marketplace. In quarter 4, they are coming with the IDO, stake token, Mech 3D, and AR application. Quarter 1 of 22 means next year. Mech Mint, Gacha Mint Vendor, DAO platform, and Master Mecha Arena. The iOS and Android based, this will be application like gaming application. Then quarter 2 2022 tournaments and moonland scale. So like this, they have already make a roadmap which is completely different from other gaming projects. Okay, and this is backed by this. This is they have a collaboration with GameFi also, as you can see, Red Kite, Basic Capital. So they are all reputed vendor. They have a collaboration. So you can see how much this project will gain once it get listed. A huge requirement. This is the team members who are working behind the screen. Okay, so game designer, head of marketing, then PM, then art director, head of 3D art. Okay, then this is advisor. Okay, now coming towards the white paper, which is most important in this MechMaster. First you have to read white paper. If you have read a MechMaster white paper, it will be easy for you to attend this airdrop also. So here they have told each and everything, what is the main motto behind the MechMaster idea. Okay, so here why you will like a MechMaster is a special game. So here they have already said you can earn money by playing with cats, with soccer player, with cute little creatures, but now you have a chance to earn big money battling human race grind freaking boards. If you like to command a whole squad of huge mechas to fight and earn real money simultaneously, then yes, welcome to a game MechMaster. So here you will enjoy also and you will earn also. Okay, so like this you have to read all those topic of MechMaster, and this will be very beneficial when you attend this airdrop. Okay, now this is MechMaster airdrop opens more special reward. So like this the airdrop is still running. Then important thing which I in while attending a airdrop now, you will find a daily event that you have to complete, then invite event. Okay, so this airdrop is basically divided in 3 parts: basic, daily, and invite. Solve all tasks in each mission and receive your points. Wait for announcement of MechMaster. Okay, so like this, and this updated reward calculation, on the basis of this reward calculations be counted. Now this is the airdrop campaign that is clearly running right now. This is my profile. Okay, so here you can see how to participate. Perform the airdrop mission listed, including beginner, daily, challenger, invite. Solve all tasks in each mission and receive your point. Wait for the announcement of the winner. So this is a daily task. So date wise you have to complete all the tasks and this will be get counted. Then this is challenge part. If you make any article over a McMaster, you should use all original character. Okay, don't copyright with any other blocks or words, and must include 5 hashtags which are mentioned in this. Okay, and like this invite, if you invite other friends, so it will be get into your portfolio, and you will get a 200 points for per person. Okay, like this you have to do this, and your name should come under 100,000. if your rank is 100,000, you will be eligible to get this airdrop tokens. So this is the only thing which I want to say. Rest all is same, I already have briefed you. So I hope you would have liked this video, and soon we'll see myself and into a next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you, tata, bye bye.